Let's learn to read. We've learned two sounds last time. The sound A and the sound B. Now tell me, what sound is this?
Ah.
Great! What is this sound? Let's blend our sounds. A, B, ab, ab. Let's do it one more time. A, B, ab, ab. Now, can you try it? A, B, ab, ab. Amazing! We have just learned how to blend. Let's try this. B, A, ba, ba. Let's do it again. B, A, ba, ba. Can you try it? B, A, ba, ba. Fantastic! Now let's try stretching some words. Bad, bad, bat, bat, cab, cab, back, back, sad, sad, mad, mad. Here's our reading exercises homework. First, try to blend the words ab and ba. Make sure you point your finger under every letter as you make the sound. Second, try stretching some words. Say it slowly first, then say it fast. Here's an example video. B, A, B, A, B, ab, ab, A, B, ab,
Tap into the Word of God and His
ab,
believers through the new CCF mobile app.
B,
We may be on
A,
but the Word of God
ba, ba,
giving you access to watch and connect
B,
anytime from anywhere in the world,
A,
right at your fingertips.
ba,
About CCF,
ba.
what we're all about, and the mission that drives us. Engage and grow alongside others.
Bat,
By joining our discipleship
bat,
groups.
cab,
Be inspired by
cab,
what God is doing in His movement.
bus,
If you have any
bus,
questions, need prayers, or biblical
bank,
one click away.
bank,
Know more about Jesus and find
back,
questions with our library of
back.
resources. Join us live every Sunday.
Find more of our Learning to Read video by liking this video, click subscribe, and hit the bell icon.